everybody. It is Monday, President's Day, the day after Valentine's Day. We had a good time last night. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. But it's snowing outside. It's snowing, and it's snowing more and more. Right now, I'm here at REI. I need to buy myself a headlamp. I've been meaning to for a while. And then I'm gonna go walk the Manhattan Bridge in the snow. Should be fun. Got this guy. Got some carabiners for my hammock. We're good to go. Normally on days like today, I would just stay inside, or I'd rather stay inside, but I don't want to do that. I've been inside too much this weekend, so I want to get out, even if it is snowing. I want to get out and explore, and I've never walked across the Manhattan Bridge, so let's do it. So I don't remember which bridge I told you I was going to before, but the correct bridge is the Williamsburg Bridge. I'm almost there. It's starting to snow more and more. Quite a workout getting up here, but we're almost to the apex of the bridge. Climb up over that to get on the other side of the sign, so I can get this photo and this shot. It's gonna be worth it. Told ya. You'd be able to see beautiful lower Manhattan over there, but right now it's just nothing, just white. All right, so this is the middle of the bridge, the apex of the bridge. I don't think I'm going to continue over to Brooklyn because it's going to be way too difficult to get back to Manhattan and Queens. I'm going to head back. I think this should be a little bit easier than the way up because I can just slide down if I want to. We'll have some fun on the way down. That is where I'm heading, into the abyss. That's fun. Williamsburg Bridge. Let's head back to Queens. I gotta go inside. Still snowing. All right, I am back home. Short vlog today, but I mentioned it yesterday. I want to mention it again today and in every vlog until I go. But I decided 2 nights ago, just randomly, spontaneously, to travel to Hong Kong. So in a month from now, I will be in Hong Kong. I'm spending a week there. And as I said before in the last vlog, if you've lived there, if you know anybody that lives there, if you're from there, have any tips, or if you do live there and just want to meet up while I'm there, please let me know. I always love to spend time with people in a new place when I'm there. So definitely let me know in the comments below or message me if you're from Hong Kong or if you live there. Also, I am at about 1,800 subscribers right now. I want to be at 2,000 subscribers by the end of February. I have a couple weeks to do it, I think about 2 weeks. So I need your help. If you like my videos, share them if you could, please. Like, comment, just be active, and it really, really does help. YouTube's algorithm, like they push the videos up to the top in searches and stuff when more people are watching, more people are commenting. So I appreciate all of your activeness within my videos. And that's all. Next weekend, I am traveling to Philly to meet up with my two best friends from college. They're my old roommates. They live in Orlando, but they're coming up to Philly with their kids. Spontaneous vacation. So I'm taking a bus out to Philly to hang out with them, and we're spending the weekend there. So that should be fun. Check back for that. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to see things in the meantime. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Get off my lens.